Welcome back to Chain Rush, where the pulse of crypto meets clarity. Today we're diving into a major development that's stirring up the DeFi world. On May 14th, 2025, Coinbase, the largest US-based crypto exchange, officially announced their plans to launch wrapped versions of Cardano, Dogecoin, Litecoin, and Ripple. Yes, you heard that right. cbADA, cbDOGE, cbLTC, and cbXRP. These tokens will live on Coinbase's Ethereum Layer-2 network called Base, and this could be a game-changer for decentralized finance. So, what does this actually mean for you, the crypto investor, trader, or DeFi explorer? Let's break it all down with real facts, fresh insights, and a whole lot of future-forward analysis. First, let's understand what wrapped tokens are. Think of a wrapped token as a blockchain passport. According to Coinbase Learn, it's a one-to-one representation of a cryptocurrency from one chain, like Bitcoin or ADA, that's wrapped into a compatible version for another chain, usually Ethereum. This process allows those original tokens to operate on blockchains they weren't originally built for. For example, wrapped Bitcoin or WBTC lets you use BTC in Ethereum's DeFi space, where you can trade, lend, or provide liquidity, things you can't do with Bitcoin alone. So in this case, cbADA is ADA wrapped for Ethereum compatibility, and the same goes for cbDOGE, cbLTC, and cbXRP. According to Coinbase will create these wrapped tokens by locking the original assets, ADA, DOGE, LTC, and XRP, in a smart contract. In exchange, users get the wrapped ERC20 versions minted on the Base network. And when you're ready to swap back, you burn your wrapped token and the original is released to you. This mechanism ensures transparency, security, and one-to-one backing, a must-have for trust in decentralized systems. Now, what's so special about Base? According to Cointelegraph, Base is Coinbase's own Ethereum Layer-2 solution built on the Optimism superchain. It offers low fees, faster transaction speeds, and is fully compatible with Ethereum's ecosystem. That means apps like Uniswap, Aave, and SushiSwap can seamlessly run on Base without needing major rewrites. This makes it not just a side project, but a serious contender against giants like Arbitrum and Polygon. And now, by bringing major non-Ethereum tokens like ADA and Doge into Base's DeFi arena, Coinbase is laying down the foundation for something much bigger, full cross-chain DeFi integration. Let's talk real impact. According to CoinMarketCap, ADA is sitting at around 81 cents, Doge at 23 cents, LTC near $102, and XRP at $2.59. These numbers haven't surged from the news, but the potential here isn't about an instant price pump. It's about expanded utility. Think about it. Doge, which has long been seen as a meme coin, could now be used to provide liquidity on SushiSwap. XRP could be collateral on Aave. ADA could earn yield farming rewards. According to DeFi Prime, these tokens will unlock a whole new set of use cases once they're live. Trading, lending, borrowing, staking, the doors are wide open. What's more, the success of cbBTC, Coinbase's first wrapped Bitcoin launched earlier, has already proven the model works. According to Benzinga, cbBTC has been successfully integrated into protocols like Aave, Compound, and Curve, and it's actively being used. That's a big vote of confidence for the newly announced cbADA, cbDOGE, cbLTC, and cbXRP. But, and there's always a but, this isn't risk-free. Smart contract bugs, custody risks, and volatility are real concerns. Coinbase is highly trusted, sure, but when you wrap an asset, you're depending on them to keep the original safe. Plus, as Coinbase warned in their official announcement covered by CoinDo, none of these tokens are live yet. That means any listings or offers you see online today are likely scams, so be alert. The community response has already started buzzing. One post by @CoinCrazeSen on X highlighted how traders are already preparing to wrap their Doge and start earning yield. The excitement is real. Base has already handled millions of transactions according to Cointelegraph, proving that it can handle the scale required for mainstream DeFi participation. So why does this matter? Because for the first time, 4 of the most widely held non-Ethereum assets are crossing over into Ethereum's DeFi ecosystem without needing to convert to ETH. That's huge for accessibility, that's huge for adoption, and that's huge for creating a truly interoperable crypto universe. Think about how many DOGE or XRP holders have never interacted with DeFi. This opens that door wide open. To wrap it up, pun intended, Coinbase is not just launching new tokens here, they're engineering a bridge that connects old-school Layer 1 coins with the future of finance. Whether you're a DeFi degenerate or a curious beginner, this is one move you'll want to keep your eyes on. The launch date hasn't been set yet, but when it drops, it could reshape the way we think about value, interoperability, and what it means to be useful in the crypto world. So stay sharp, stay subscribed, and stay ahead. Because here on Chain Rush, we break it down before the rest of the world even knows it's coming.